Yes people, welcome back to our channel, and today we're diving into a detailed comparison between two of the most popular email marketing platforms. One is Mailchimp and the second one is Klaviyo. And whether you're just starting with email marketing or you're looking to switch platforms, this video will help you decide which tool fits the best for your needs, of course. We'll cover features, pricing, and we discover even some competitors, so you'll get a full picture. As always, remember that the features and pricing can change over time, so be sure to check the link below for the most up-to-date information. Let's start with Mailchimp. Mailchimp is one of the most well-known email marketing platforms out there, and it's for a good reason. It's been around since 2001 and has been grown into an all-in-one marketing platform that's especially popular among small to medium-sized businesses. The platform is designed to be user-friendly with an intuitive drag-and-drop email builder and a wide range of customizable templates. But Mailchimp isn't just about emails, it also offers tools for social media marketing, landing pages, and even a basic CRM features. Now, Mailchimp pricing starts with a free plan, which is perfect for those just getting started. The free plan includes up to 500 contacts and 1,000 emails per month, which is enough for any small business and startups. However, as your needs grow, you likely need an upgrade of one of the paid plans. The Essential plan gets started at $13 per month, offering features like A/B testing, custom branding, and 24/7 customer support. For more advanced features like enhanced automation, varied testings, and advanced audience segmentation, you want to look at the standard plan, and the standard plan starts at $20 per month. Finally, there is also a premium plan at $350 per month, which is designed for larger businesses that need extensive data analytics and advanced targeting options. Okay, let's moving on to Klaviyo. And this platform is especially designed for e-commerce businesses, founded in 2012. Klaviyo has quickly become the go-to for online retailers looking to drive sales through highly personalized and data-driven email campaigns. Unlike Mailchimp, Klaviyo integrates deeply with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Magento, pulling in customer data to create tailored marketing strategies. Klaviyo's pricing is based on the number of contacts you have, starting around $20 per month for up to 500 contacts. And this plan gives you access to all the core features, including advanced segmentation, email automation, and detailed analytics. As your list grows, so the cost does. For instance, if you have 5,000 contacts, you're paying around $100 per month. One of the benefits of Klaviyo's pricing structure is that you get access to all the features regardless of your list size, and unlike Mailchimp, of course, which reserves some features for higher tier plans. The key features comparison, and starting with Mailchimp, one of its standout features is its all-in-one marketing capabilities. Beyond email marketing, you can create social media posts, design landing pages, and even manage basic CRM tasks directly within Mailchimp. This makes it a great choice if you're looking for a platform that can handle multiple aspects of your digital marketing in one place. Another highlight is Mailchimp's automation workflows, which allows you to set up targeted email sequences based on customer actions, like signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. Mailchimp also offers AI-powered content suggestions and predictive demographics, helping you refine your message and targeting in the right audience segments more effectively. And that's nice. On the other hand, Klaviyo excels in e-commerce specific features. Klaviyo's advanced segmentation is one of its biggest strengths, allowing you to create detailed customer profiles based on their shopping behavior, purchase history, and even predicted future actions. This level of targeting helps you send the right message to right people at the right time, driving more conversions. Klaviyo's integration with e-commerce platforms means that you can automatically sync your product data, customer history, and even cart abandonment. And another powerful tool in Klaviyo's arsenal is its dynamic content feature, which allows you to personalize emails on a deep level, changing what's shown based on individual customer data. Additionally, Klaviyo offers a robust data that gives you deep insights into how your emails are performing and how they are contributing to the overall sales, helping you make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. Now let's break down some of the pros and the cons of each platform. Starting with Mailchimp, one of the major advantages of Mailchimp is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be easy to use, making it a great choice for beginners. The platform's flexibility also means that you can use it for more than just email marketing, which is ideal for small businesses that want a comprehensive marketing tool. Another advantage of Mailchimp is its extensive template library, which offers a wide range of design options that you can customize to fit your brand. However, some of the users might find that Mailchimp's automation and segmentation capabilities are less advanced compared to Klaviyo's, especially when it comes to e-commerce, and well, that's an important one, of course. Additionally, while Mailchimp offers a free plan, it does come with limitations, such as Mailchimp's branding on emails and the absence of more advanced features like A/B testing. As for Klaviyo, its biggest strength lies in its deep integration with e-commerce platforms and its ability to create highly personalized, data-driven email campaigns. If you are running an online store, Klaviyo's feature can significantly enhance your email marketing efforts. The platform's advanced analytics and reporting tools are also a huge plus, giving you a clear view of how your campaigns are performing and how you can improve them. However, Klaviyo's pricing can become quite steep as your contact list grows, which might be a drawback for smaller businesses or just those starting out, of course. The platform is also more complex than Mailchimp, which could be overwhelming for those who are new to email marketing and for businesses that don't have a dedicated marketing team. Well, let's start with some competitor comparison. Before we wrap up, let's compare Mailchimp and Klaviyo with a few competitors, and one major competitor is Constant Contact, which, like Mailchimp, offers a user-friendly interface and a variety of email tools and like event management and social media marketing. Constant Contact pricing is similar to Mailchimp, starting at $12 per month, but it doesn't offer the same level of automation or e-commerce integrations as Klaviyo. Another competitor is GetResponse, which provides a robust set of marketing tools, including webinar hosting and landing page creation. GetResponse is often praised for its affordability and a range of features it offers at a lower price points, with plans starting at $19 per month. However, like Mailchimp, it doesn't match Klaviyo's level of e-commerce specific features. Lastly, there is ActiveCampaign, which is known for its powerful automation capabilities and CRM integration. ActiveCampaign is a strong contender for those who need more advanced automation and are willing to pay for it. With plans starting at $29 per month, it's a good alternative to Klaviyo for business that want deep automation without being tied to an e-commerce platform. Well, which platform is the right for you? And in conclusion, the choice between Mailchimp and Klaviyo depends on your business needs and the type of email marketing you plan to do. If you are a small business looking for an all-in-one marketing solution that's easy to use and doesn't break the bank, Mailchimp might be the better option for you. It's versatile, user-friendly, and offers a range of features beyond email marketing, make it a solid choice for your business looking to manage your marketing efforts from a single platform. On the other hand, if you're running an e-commerce business and want to leverage detailed customer data to create highly targeted and active email campaigns, Klaviyo is likely the better choice. Its advanced segmentation, powerful analytics, and seamless e-commerce integrations making it a top pick for online stores looking to maximize their email marketing ROI. However, keep in mind the costs at your business scales. Klaviyo pricing cannot add quickly, so it's essential to ensure that the value it provides aligns with your business goals. Well, thanks for watching, and if you find this comparison helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And if you're interested in trying out Mailchimp or Klaviyo, be sure to use our links below. We'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support our channel. Thanks again, and we see you in the next video. Bye bye.